Hey everybody. So we're still on this distance area, okay? And this first one, in order to get through it, I had to click on this box in order to get the solver to find this distance, okay? So it was up 6 over 3. So 6 squared plus 3 squared, take the square root of both sides, okay? In order to find the area, height, length times width, base times height. So now we're going to do this one. And if we look at the count this from 18 to 2 is 16 units. So 16 squared. Check it. This one is going to be from here to here. 7, 6. Oh, 6. Sorry. This was 8 units up, 16 units over. So 8 units up because we go from -7 to +1. Okay. Now we have the square root of 16 squared plus 8 squared. Boom. Okay, so now we have this times this. Now it's 1/2. Okay, so we're going to go 0.5 times. So let's try parenthesis 0.5 parenthesis 17.8885 and parenthesis 6.7 6.7082. Cool. Because the 0.5 is the 1/2. Cool. All right, let's check it. And we'll move on. Okay, so got to use the solver, got to use the keyboard. Okay, and it's 1/2 length times width. Okay. All right, area of the square in feet. So what do we got here? We're just going to go from 2 to 12. So there's 10. And from 1 to 11, 10 times 10, 100. Oh, okay. All right, so we're not changing anything, right? So in the x's, it's 0 squared. And then we have 10 squared. And we know that 10 times 10 is 100, square root of 100. But in case you're not sure, use the radical sign, 10 squared. Okay, so our length is 10 units. Times 10, 100. Okay. Since it said it was a square, it didn't make us calculate all the way around. Okay. Okay, same idea, area of the rectangle. So we'll click on a side and we're going to have what, 12 units. And it didn't go up or down, so that's 0 units. So the square root, 12 squared square root is 12. 144, take the square root. Now we have to calculate a side, and it's 0 and 6, 0 squared, 6 squared, and 36, square root of 36 is 6, so 6 times 12. Okay, and if you're not sure, you can click on your buttons here. And to do multiplying here, you have to use the parenthesis button. Okay, 6 times 12 is 72. All right, okay. So So hopefully that was helpful. We are now formally done with all of our distance and area and those sorts of things. Okay. Looks like it's going to ask me to do one more problem. Okay. So this is going to be 16 units and 0 units. And 16 squared, take the square root, get 16. All right. And we'll try the side one, 0, 7, 0 squared, 7 squared. 7 squared is 49. Take the square root of 49. What did I do? Oh, 13 units. That's a positive 3 up there. Okay, my bad. Okay, and 13 squared is 169. Take the square root back to 13. Now we have to do this. Well, this one's easy because it's the run squared, the rise squared. So we got 16 squared, 13 squared. And if you don't know those numbers, it's okay because we're just going to hit our radical sign and type in the entire rise squared plus run squared. So we're going to go 16 squared plus 13 squared, square root. Okay. Now the perimeter, we got to add them all up. Okay. So 16 plus 13 plus that 20. Okay. So 16 plus 13 plus 20.6155. 16 plus 13 plus 20.6155. Hey, there we go. Dun, dun, dun. We are now formally done with distance. We can move on to circles and vocabulary now, okay? Okay, circles is next. Hopefully that was helpful. Bye.